Hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, October the 4th, 2021. We have here in this daily newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 6 puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, a 3 stars, a tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, tectonic with 1 star. Those are puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra Sudokus. And the first puzzle I will solve is a 3 stars Sudoku, because I'm not doing them all, only half of them I will solve. Otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, so only 3. The 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars tectonic, and a binary. And this one will be number 3, 4, 8, 7. I believe, yes, 7. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so so let's get started. I see here a big square with 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number, 1, 2, 3, 4, is the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. For the numbers, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Alright. Then 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. It should be here. 5 in the third column. First column. 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But we see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 are missing. Let me mark those. That means we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. There an 8. No 8 in that box. So the 8, it could be here, it could be there. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 in this row. So no 7 and a 9 in this box. The 7 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9. We see there, 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. One box left in this column for the number 6. Alright. Alright. Then. How about? Let me see. Yeah. 7. Alright. 9. 9, 6, 1. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 169, 169, 169, and look, we have a 6 and a 9 in the first row, so no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, let me mark those. 1 digit left, should be the 1. Alright. Then. We have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Think. How about? Take. Come on. 4. 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. There 6, no 6 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Alright. 2, 4, 3. Yeah. Then. 6. I'm thinking. 2, 3, 4. 9. How about 4, 2. 8. Yeah. Two. Thinking. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2. Well, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. Still 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. Okay, so 2 and 3, so 1 digit left in the last column for the number 4 again. Yes, 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4, there 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 4. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be here 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. That means we have a 3, double 3 here in this column. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 6 is missing, 1 and 6. We have a double 1 here in this column, so no 1 in this box. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. Here we have the first pair, 1 and 3. The other pair should be the 8 and the 9 is missing, 8 and the 9. In this big square, we have 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 and a 3. 1 and a 3 and a 6. 1 and a... Ooh. Interesting. 2. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 5 missing numbers. Correction. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 2 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. Alright. 3, 4, 5. Let me see. 6 and 8. 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number in the second column is the number 8. We are missing the 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. Here an 8. No 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Alright. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 9. Okay. Alright. 3 and 2. And 1. Okay. 6, 7 and a 3. I'm thinking. Well. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. We have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 9. Now we have a 6 there. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 7. 7 in this row. 7 in last row. So the row between. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright, 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be an 8. Alright. So we have 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright, 1 box left in this column for the number second column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Final 2 numbers. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Yes, finish in 16 minutes. Alright, for 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And I solved this in 16 minutes, so I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a binary puzzle it will be. See you then. Bye-bye for now.